guys, welcome back to Miss Shane's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry Cookmas Day 14. I feel like we are halfway there, you guys, just about. Thank you for joining me for this Cookmas, where I give you guys daily videos throughout the month of December for the holiday season. Today's recipe is going to be a very quick and easy dip or a sauce. We're going to go ahead and make a tzatziki dip. So if you don't know, tzatziki is a creamy and garlicky sauce that is usually a staple within the Greek community. And it's creamy, it's cool and slightly tangy. And it usually has yogurt and cucumbers, garlic and lemon juice and olive oil and fresh herbs, which is pretty much what we're going to use today to make this wonderful, quick and easy dip. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so here is the quick and easy tzatziki dip. I just went ahead and paired it with some fresh vegetables and some pita chips, and all the combinations worked out well. I think my favorite was probably the carrot and the pita chips. Those were pretty good. But definitely give this one a try, guys, especially if you are a lover of the tzatziki sauce with any type of gyro or maybe a piece of fish. Something like that would definitely go good with this sauce. So go ahead and give it a try, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you do like tzatziki sauce. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.